Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can track your lost or missing Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So if you happen to lose your device at some place, say at a shopping or at a mall or somewhere, and you can't find it, here's how you can quickly track it. Now you want to go onto a computer or on another mobile device. Perhaps you could borrow your friend or family, and then you open up a web browser. On the web browser, you want to go to this website called findmymobile.samsung.com. On this website, you want to tap on the sign in button, and then you would put in your Samsung account email address and the password that you have used to sign to your device. Now I'm just going to choose this account right here, and because I have already saved the password, I can use my Samsung Pass to sign to the account. In your case, you can put in the password and the username. Okay, once the screen is loaded, you can tap on track location button right here. So at the top here, you can see immediately the phone will show you a map of whereabout is your device. And then you tap on this arrow down here, this will open up another panel. On this panel, you can tap on track location and then tap on start button. So say check where your missing phone is every 15 minutes. So over here, there is a notifications. It is at the moment hidden, but it's basically trying to track the location of your device. You can see here it said the phone is at 1390 Market Street in San Francisco. So just leave this one on so that your phone can continue to track the missing mobile device. Now while it's tracking, you can also do things like lock the screen. You can ring the phone, so you can tap on the lock button, and you can also set a contact information. For example, if you go down here, I'm going to tap on retry, and then in here you can put in the new PIN, and then down here, so just trying to see if you can tap, so you close the keypad. And then down here, what you want to do is tap in the phone number and then tap on lock. Let's see if you can set anything else. So here is a message. This message is the default message, but you can put in your custom message and then tap on the lock button. And then here on the device, you can see it sets the owner's number on the lock screen, and also it has set a the phone has been lost text message on the lock screen. And that's how you can lock it, and that's how you can track your lost or missing device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.